Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply order food from DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So for that matter, what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, open up our DoorDash app. Once we have opened up our DoorDash app, it will simply gonna look like this over here in the home page. And what we're gonna do is simply we're gonna go ahead, search a particular dish or food that you would like to order here in the search bar, in the search section, or we can simply go to home. You can go to search section, you can find this fast food, seafood, top searches. Obviously in the cuisines you can find all kinds of options for you to choose for. So you can see I have already placed on my orders. If you want to place your orders, you can simply go ahead, choose a particular burger, and then you can tap on it, and then you're gonna go ahead, tap on which one you would like to, tap on this plus icon, and you can go ahead, choose the fillings as well according to your need. Tap on this add item, and then this item is added to your cart. Now you can simply tap on this cart option as well. If you can't find it right away after placing the order, you're confused where to click, you can tap on this cart option on top right corner. This will open up the order that you have placed so far, and you can tap on this view cart option. Let's say I would like to do this, tap on view cart option, and now I have this information. If I would like to correct or add something else, I can add more items over here tapping on the plus, or I can even delete my order. Then I will tap on this continue option, and this will simply lead me to payment method option, where we're gonna go ahead, enter our payment method. We can choose our location. You can see you can simply go ahead, check your details once again, and then tap on this place order, and your order will be placed in the DoorDash, and you can obviously wait for your food and enjoy it. So yes guys, this is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.